James travels a lot and is very physically active. And he also gets enough sleep. But despite long nights, he often doesn't feel properly rested. Why? Electrosmog, caused among other things by household electricity, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This electrosmog affects everyone, whether young or old. James's environment is teeming with electric fields and waves that disrupt sleep. But James has found a solution. With Pure Energy Light, an innovative sleep protection system that grounds the body and protects against harmful radiation. Pure Energy Light consists of 5 components. The shielding mat under the mattress blocks electric fields coming from below. The bed backboard keeps the head area free from electromagnetic fields. The bedding protects Ernst from high-frequency radiation. And the grounding cover connect dissipates static charges and grounds the body. The grounding cover is connected to the house's grounding system via a grounding cable and grounding plug through an outlet. When all 5 components are correctly connected together, James gets sleep, more quality for faster recovery and more energy. A difference that James really feels. All this thanks to Pure Energy Light. By the way, the set is also great for travel, suitable. So James doesn't have to miss out on his healthy sleep while traveling.